Hello, in this video I want to show you how to log into your Erudites Game affiliate account and how to copy your affiliate link so that you can start sharing it on social media, and when people click on the link and they come to the website to register and they play the real game, you earn commission from everyone that registered through your link. Now before I go ahead and log into my account, let me quickly show you something. If you have not registered as an affiliate on this website, I strongly encourage you to do so now, because every new registration will get 250 Naira registration bonus. This is a very huge opportunity for you. Go ahead and register as an affiliate and start promoting the website so that you can earn commission from everyone that you refer to join the website. Now let's go back to the page, and I want to go ahead and log into my affiliate account. If you already have an account, you just go ahead and click on the affiliate here and then click on affiliate login. Then from the affiliate login page, you just go ahead and enter your email or your username, and for me I'll enter my username and I will enter my password. Now I click on login. I will allow the page to load, and now I have logged into my affiliate account. The first page you see is the overview page, and from the overview page I can see my balance and the commission rate. On the right hand side you see I have 500 Naira in my account, and here on the commission rate you see 200 Naira per sale. What this means is that if you refer one person to this website and the person register and play the real game, you will earn 200 Naira. So if you refer 10 people and all of them register and play game, you will earn 200 Naira times 10, and so on. So that is just about the commission rate. And here you will see the information about the people that click on your link and whether you earn money from them or not. So for me, this is just a demonstration account. You don't see anything here because I have not shared my link anywhere on the internet and nobody has come through my referral link. So for this month you also see there's nothing here, but if you have been promoting your affiliate link, you will see the numbers of people that visit through your link, and you will see if you have been able to make some money. Everything you will see it on your dashboard, and that is the first thing I want to show you on the overview page. The next one is on the sales page. If I go to the sales, you will see the information I have there. From there you can see if you have been able to earn some commission on this particular site, but for me I don't have anything, so that is why you are not seeing any information here. If you have earned some commission and you have gotten some people to click on your link and they make purchase, you will start seeing your commission on this particular page. If I go to the payment history, you will be able to see if you have been able to earn some money and if you have been paid or not. As you can see here, I've made some money here, and that is what you are seeing here, 250 Naira, 250 Naira. So if you make 10,000 Naira, 50,000 Naira and so on, you will see all your information on this particular page, and that is why it is the payment history page. And the next one I want to show you is the edit profile. If you want to edit your profile, this is where you just go ahead to and edit your profile. I don't have to edit my profile, so I will just close this page and we'll go to the next page. And the next page I want to show you is the creatives. The creatives is where you have access to the affiliate link, and that is the link that you want to copy and start sharing to your friends on social media so that they can click on it and come to the website and register, and when they play the real game you earn commission from every one of them. So on this page now you see we have your affiliate link using affiliate ID, and the other one is referral URL generator. Now if you click on this and copy this link directly, you can send this link to your friends on social media, and when they click on it, this website will record it and it will show that you have referred one person to the website. So let me just go ahead and show you what will happen if I copy this particular link. So I copy this, then I want to go ahead and open one of my browser. Now I will paste the link here and I want to click on go. So I want to go now, and I want to go back to the page and I want to refresh the page. Previously you notice that I don't have any information on my overview page. So if I go back to the overview page now and look at it, I will be able to see now I have one visitor has clicked on my link, and that is just the one I show you on this page. You see how easy it is for you to be able to refer people to this website and see when they click on your link and when they make purchase on the website. So let's go back to the creative page. On the creative page now, you already know that this is the link you will copy and start sharing to people on the internet. Now, I don't want you to just copy this link and just send it to people directly, because some people might want to play some game and they might want to remove your ID from this particular link. Instead of sending this link to them directly, now after copy the link, you just go directly to this particular website on my browser. This is the address, www.bitly.com. So when you come to this particular website, what you want to do is that this link that you copy from here, you want to come here and you want to paste the link here. You paste the link here like this and you click on shorten the link. So when you click on shorten the link, now you see this is the link in the right hand side here. So you just have to copy this one, and when you share this one to people, they will not be able to remove your affiliate ID. So I have opened the link and you see I have arrived on the page. Now that I've arrived on the page, there's nothing they can do again because they have already clicked on the link. So if I go back to my page and click on the overview page, and let's see if that click has been recorded. You can see here now 3 clicks has already been recorded because I have clicked on the link, I have refreshed the page. So that is how you should go ahead. You just copy the link, your affiliate link from the creatives, then you go to this particular website, www.bitly.com. You paste the affiliate link here and you click on shorten. So when you shorten it, you copy the shortened URL and you share it on your social media for people to click on it to come to the website. Remember to tell people about the website when you are sharing the link with them. For example, if you want to post the link on social media like Facebook, make sure you tell people that when they click on the link and they come to the website, they register and they start playing the real game, they can start making 1,000 Naira every day and make another 1,000 Naira if they become the highest gamer at the end of the week. And at the same time, if they join the affiliate, they can also earn 250 Naira for everyone that they refer to the website. This is how you can go ahead and log into your affiliate account on Erudites Game and start sharing your links so that you can make more money from the website. I hope this is very simple and you understand. If you have any questions, just go straight to the forum and you will see under the forum, you will see the affiliate forum. So from this forum, you can start posting your questions and the admin will respond to your question as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.